Good morning, amigos. Today, our goal is we're going to cook a vegetable lasagna. Tara, magluto na tayo, guys. And for our vegetable lasagna ingredients, we have now we're going to mix all together our vegetables. Now we're going to roast our vegetables. Just organize the tray. Okay guys, I forgot to put together my garlic. Just wrap them individually and put them together inside the oven. Now we're going to cook our red sauce. I have here my cooking pan and add in our oil. 2.5 tablespoons of oil. Then we have to saute our onions. Add in our thyme. Add in our bay leaf. Now we have to add in our diced tomatoes. Okay, we have to stir them up in between the 2 minutes. Add in the tomato sauce. Stir them together. Add in the tomato paste too. Okay, sorry guys, I forgot that we need sugar too for our red sauce. Just like a tablespoon of sugar. Put in it together. Okay, while waiting for our roasted vegetables and our red sauce, I'm getting ready of my boiled water for our lasagna pasta. Now our red sauce is ready. So go. Just have to do our white sauce and everything is gonna be done soon. Okay. Now we have to continue our cooking. We have to cook our white sauce. Turn on your heat into medium. Add in your unsalted butter. The butter now is boiling hot. We have to add in our flour gradually and just to mix them while you're adding it in. Then just keep on mixing. Slow down your heat. Add in our milk gradually and mix them together. Okay, no more lamb. Add in our nutmeg, salt and pepper. Okay, our water now is boiling. We have to add in our pasta because our vegetable is already cooked. Okay, after 2 minutes, we have to add in our cottage cheese and our cheddar cheese. Give them a good mix again. It's not thickened yet. A little bit more. Okay, now our vegetable is cooked. Okay, now this is the texture of our white sauce that we need to achieve. White sauce is ready to go. And our pasta too is already cooked. So we have to layer them up and put them back in the oven. To mix up our roasted vegetables now, first we have to add in our roasted garlic into our red sauce together. Give them a good mix. And then we have to add in our roasted mixed vegetables. It's gonna be so much vegetable. We're going to layer up our lasagna pasta. First, we have to spread a little bit of white sauce on the very bottom surface. Make sure your hands is clean, of course. Should be the full length of pasta. So 3 or 4. Then layer up your vegetable. Just like that. Add in your cheddar and mozzarella together. Spread them out. Tiny layer of cheddar cheese. And a mozzarella. Add, layer up again your pasta. Now, after that layer, I'm gonna add up our white sauce. Cheese again. We're gonna bake our vegetable lasagna 15 to 20 minutes.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Guys, finally our vegetable lasagna is done. I mean, it's already cooked. It's really so heavy. There you go. Juiciest and yummiest lasagna ever. Yummy. That's it, guys.